Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some shrimp right here. We also have some chicken breast pieces. We're about to put them together. We have our vegetables, garlic, tomatoes. We have baby spinach. Our seasoning, Italian seasoning, chili powder, lemon pepper, little Old Bay. So we're about to make it happen. A nice little vegetable recipe. Okay, so we use vegetable oil. If you have extra virgin olive oil, use it. But I don't have none, I ran out. So we use some vegetable oil. So that's all we need right there. I don't need much at all. Turn that bad boy on. We'll let that grease get nice and hot. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put that chicken in there. We'll add our chicken. Get our chicken nice thin. We're not gonna add the shrimp until later. We'll go ahead and add the shrimp because we want that shrimp to get a little fry to it with that grease. Remember, don't take long for this shrimp to cook at all. Now we'll go ahead and add the seasoning. We'll add a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. just a teaspoon. We'll add a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. We'll add a tablespoon of chili powder. We'll add 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Mix all that together. So, now that's that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fetch them shrimps out. I just wanted to get some of that grease to it, nice little fry, and that seasoning. Everything seasoned together to the T. So we go ahead and fish this shrimp out. Okay, so now we're gonna add some sweet and sour soy sauce. Then we're gonna add a little bit of this Louisiana hot sauce. No, it's not gonna be spicy. It's gonna have a delicious taste. And garlic. Tomatoes. Spinach. Celery. And a leaf from the celery. So I chopped up some leaf from the celery. Mix that in. Like I say, season as you go. If you want to add more season to your food, taste it. So you always want to season as you go, so you don't add too much seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and set the top on there for about 5 minutes. Okay, so that was 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add our shrimp. A little bit of oyster sauce. Boom. Mix that in. gonna let this go for 2 more minutes with the top on. I'm gonna get this food on a nice little plate. This the only thing I'm gonna add before I add it to a plate. Some more Louisiana hot sauce. Okay, so here we go right here. Nice little put together. We have our shrimp and chicken, vegetable. When I say this is on hit, yes, this is on hit for real. With that sweet soy sauce, it got that little sweet taste. That Louisiana sriracha sauce, everything came together, for real. Can't leave out the oyster sauce, it did its thing too. I just had to tap in with the good family and friends. And that I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice with that Parmesan cheese on there.